Hi everyone, this is Yoo Mi. Welcome back to Yoo Mi Cooking channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the best peach iced tea for the summer. In my country, summer is peach season, so peach can buy very easy in any market or supermarket, and of course it's very cheap. This recipe to make the iced tea is very simple and easy. Now let's get started with Yoo Mi. The first thing you need to know that there are two types of peach in the market, one with hair and one with no hair in the skin. Here I have the one with hair in the skin. You can see that the hair is very thin. With this type of peach, you need to wash it very carefully. Now I will show you the ingredients. I have fresh peach here, lime, water, golden sugar, a big jar so you can keep the peach inside. I use a 5 kilogram size, and remember, 1 kilogram peach used with 500 gram golden sugar. Now I'm going to wash the peach. After washing the peach, remember to soak it in the salty water for 15 minutes. I have 2 kilogram fresh and very clean peach here. Now I'm going to split it into small pieces, maybe 4 to 6 pieces depending on the size of peach. Remember to split it and soak it in the salty water before peeling the skin. It have to avoid the color of peach turns to black. After splitting, let's peel the skin. And remember, keep soak it in the salty water. are my peaches after peeling the skin. Just keep soaking it in the salty water while prepare the sugar. Put the sugar into the pot. Because I have 2 kg of peach, so I use 1 kg of golden sugar. Now cook it with the low cooker. Remember to stir it well. After it all melted and turned to the brown color, let's pour the water. I use 1 liter water. When the sugar water is boiling, put the peach inside. Cook the peach from 7 to 10 minutes. When the peach is turned the color like this, turn off the cooker. Take off the peach and put it into the pot of cold water immediately. Leave it for 10 minutes. Pour the lime juice into the sugar water. And wait until it cools down. When the peach and the sugar water are cooled down, put it into the jar. Here is my achievement. You can make a cup of tea and put some pieces of peach and sugar water inside with ice and enjoy it. Then this is my recipe to make the peach iced tea. Hope that it's useful for you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe Yoo Mi Cooking for more videos. See you on the next video. Bye bye.